Right, guys, are you missing college?
No!
Why not? Where are you? Recently, the ILS department travelled to France for 6 days in collaboration with the LEARN Institute, and it was funded by Taith.
We are a training centre that organises workshops and trainings for teachers and students from Europe.
The whole point was for the week to give them the opportunity in a different context to find themselves in situations where they couldn't find themselves at home.
Okay. There we are, guys.
I can see the benefit because as many people in this class have never done things like go on a plane, go on a metro, or stay in a crowded public space for an extended period of time. And I think they did very well.
With the LEARN Institute, the learners attended some workshops, and at the end of those workshops they were able to present to the rest of the group, which for some of our learners going up and speaking is nothing they would do, but they found the confidence to do it, and it was fantastic.
I literally said to the tutors actually that it was a trip of a lifetime. I really didn't think this would ever happen, and it was a big thing for us, 6 nights apart. But I think he coped well with it. Yet I don't think I did. I had a few tears, but do you know what? They've been amazing. Literally can't thank them all.
And then to finish off our week then, we thought we'd give them a treat, and we went to Disneyland Paris for 2 days, where they got to spend 2 full days in the park, going on all the rides, seeing all the characters and watching all the parades and the fireworks displays.
My favourite part of the trip was the Disneyland trip. A lot of rides and all that. I never expected this to happen. Yeah, it's just fantastic.
I really enjoyed it and would recommend anyone who has the chance to do it.
Within ILS we have so much to offer, both through the curriculum and as extracurricular. Any more information, please feel free to get in touch.